Guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I'll be showing you how to make homemade ghee. So for this basically you need only one ingredient, that's fresh cream. So let's get started. So how do you get this cream? What I do is I use Goa dairy milk. I boil it. After boiling it, let the milk cool down completely. Put it in your fridge. Next day early in the morning, you take out the cream, that is the upper layer, and start accumulating it every day. Make it as your ritual every morning. Now I have got cream, fresh cream, which is done in the same procedure which I told you just now. So I have a 2 container of this. So let's start with the procedure. Take a mixie jar. In that we require cold water directly from the fridge for this. So add 1 cup of cold water. Now you add the fresh cream into the mixie jar and also include the room temperature water, the tap water that you have basically, into this mixie jar. And now you whisk it. So let the mixie do its job. After this, did you see you get this fresh butter? Start removing it from this mixie jar, and I'm using the iron pan. So in that I'll be making the ghee, fresh ghee. So I'll be putting this into this and repeat this procedure till whatever cream you have. This is how it looks like. This is the fresh butter that we get. So now remember, most important thing, don't use this water again for doing the second procedure. That is the same procedure which you did earlier. Don't use this, just throw it off and do the same thing what we did earlier. That is, put cold water, 1 cup or half cup maybe. Add the fresh cream. Put room temperature water and repeat the same procedure once again. And see, we have got our fresh butter. Remember one thing, the water that you see, please throw it off because we don't require this for making ghee. This is a very important step. Now switch on the flame and wait for some time. Let the butter melt, and then I will exactly tell you when your ghee will be ready. So let's wait for some time. Stir it in between so that it doesn't get burnt, like this. Or other way you can do is like this, you can do. I find this is the best method. If you get pure cow's milk, nothing like it. Your ghee will be the best. But here I am using a packet milk, that is Goa dairy milk. If you get Amul milk also, not an issue. Keep doing it this in between. Still the ghee is not ready. I'll tell you exactly when it will be ready. Do you see this bubbles? It's an indication that within 2-3 minutes your ghee will be ready. Nice aroma is coming. This is how you go on doing it. So now you switch off the flame. Let your ghee cool down completely. After that, what we'll do is we'll strain this ghee in a glass jar of your choice. So let the ghee cool down. Ghee is completely cooled down. Now is the time we can strain the ghee into this glass jar. You can use any jar of your choice, maybe glass or plastic. And then you can strain it and your ghee is ready. My fresh homemade ghee is ready. If you like this vlog, please like, subscribe and share my vlog to as many people as you can. So see you next time on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye bye. Take care.